There's this game I found called Terminal Tape, and it's a horror, so I'm gonna try it. This looks cool. These are my work instructions. Job instructions. Instructions. Reveal all VHS tapes by end of the day. Revise at your own discretion. Do not leave your office without authorization. I would have left already. Failure to comply will result in immediate disciplinary action. Oh. Man, they read my mind. What else can I look for before I start? An ironic sign. Be considerate. Clean up after yourself. There's nothing to clean up after myself. What? Insert tape. That's animation. Press any key to boot up. Space. Running diagnostics. Checking for updates. None. Running tape revision test. Clearing all tape data. Success. User tape destruction. Success. What? Tape revision. Today. 8/24/24. Welcome. Me. View tape. Oh my goodness. This is where we used to live. I can call an elevator. Or I can expect an eviction notice. For residents residing in the apartment room, please note that your rent is overdue. Please speak with the front desk worker to pay. Our mailbox. Oh, we can leave. A posted note to me from my mom. Don't watch TV all night. That's so accurate. I stayed up last night watching YouTube until like 1 in the morning. Receipt of some food. 1 pound of rice. Half can of spam, 2 eggs, scrambled. I don't know if LB is pound or not. I don't remember. Our lamp is gone. I remember we had to sell it. You had to sell your lamp? Why don't you get a job? Unless you already had a job. It's money envelope for this month's rent. There's nothing inside. This month's rent is blank. Write your apartment number and seal. Please drop it up at the mailbox in the office. A posted note that my mom left on the computer. Remember to take a break and relax. Everything's gonna be okay. Mail. Date. Hello. I'm sorry, but I won't be able to meet ends pay this month for the rent. If you give me until the 10th, I'll be able to give it to you, but please let us stay for the duration. We have nowhere else to go. Cheers. What else is here? My father's business card. I remember how excited my parents were, but it never took off. Ready for the future of video games? Blank is a new production on the horizon, designed to transport you into the whole new world. Call blank 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 for more details. Oh, is that an exclamation mark? For more details. The fridge is empty. The fridge is empty. Maybe I should cook something to change the tape. What? My mouse isn't working. Where's food? I gotta go down. Oh. Power outage? A computer notification? Oh. I'm sorry I'm unable to do that. We will be putting your main electricity in a moment. Any appliances connected to our wires will be full. I should've went down. I should've went down the elevator. When I get done with this, I should go to the down the elevator next. A poster for a movie I put up, Lights Out by the Makers of... Was that there before? Was that there before? I don't remember. I don't remember Lights Out being there. But then again, I got very bad memories, so... Press any key to boot up E. Running diagnostics. Checking for updates. None. It's the same thing, is it? Test screen, all tape data success, user tape destruction success. Tape revision, today, 8/24/24. Welcome. Oh! What is that smell? What is that smell? Wait, is that a flashlight? Fragile! Fragile! Handle with care! Are we like in a building of some sort? This is my school. I think my room was 06. It's locked. This is my homeroom. Your homeroom's small. My desk was in the... This desk was in the what? This was my classmate's desk. They have some notes. Remember to go to the career fair. This might be your last chance. Chemistry notes. An oil rig cat. What is an oil rig cat? This was my desk, my personal notebook. I documented it with my traumatic. I should revise what happened that day. Maybe there's some minor blockers. No. I documented it with my traumatic experiences. Personal notebook. Nothing has gone my way this entire week. Those people who are still picking on me, I just can't catch a break. My username is nothing. My classmate's desk. This appears to be something etched on the wood. Micah and Taylor. Heart emoji. There appears to be stacks of papers inside the desk. Homework 1, homework 2, homework 3, homework 4. That is me. That is definitely me. I ain't doing any homework. It's completely empty. But then again, our school doesn't have those little things at the bottom. Inspect. My teacher wrote a note down for herself. Check up on blank, 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 blank. They look like they are going to cry. Which one was that? Is it this one? Alright, it's this one. Nothing. Where's the lockers? Homework 1. Using an ice table, find the equilibrium constant K. I'm gonna start from back here. Oh. My mouse isn't working. Am I having a heart attack? What the heck? What just happened? Oh, I thought that was like another room back there. What happened here? Is that coffee? Oh, that's... Are those pills? Are they transgender? Nah. No. Die. I didn't slam it hard enough. Die! Okay. Oh, inspect. A positive note. Don't look down at me, keep your head up high. I'm taking this with me. I don't need notes from random people I don't know. Probably. No, what am I talking about? This dude probably knows them. I hate dark hallways. I'm not going there. I'm not going in there either. Wasn't this door open? I don't think I should go in there. No dip, Sherlock. I don't think I should go in there either. Awards for the outstanding, of course I'm not here. Previous quarter's highest grade point average goes to blank. Funniest quote of the month goes to blank. Coolest creation of the month goes to blank. Papers detailing the upcoming career fair. This upcoming week is our quarterly career fair. Make sure you stop by to secure your future. RSVP with the QR code. Everyone is welcome. We are looking forward to seeing you all. Okay, time to go down the creepy hallway with the creepy... Why is it every time? Bro! Oh. Dude, I'm gonna start taking my headphones off every time there's something bad going on. I cannot handle this. I should go check my... What? Didn't we... Didn't I... Didn't I? I remember breaking down later that day. What? Maybe there's something I can find on lockers. It's that same locker. That sounds like it's getting closer. Is there more lockers? Can I click that? No. All the lockers are open, little bro. Oh. Is there not a... I'm turning... I can't stand this no more. I'm turning down my volume. Oh. I'm just a teeny bit scared. And... Oh. What do I do? Do I go down to the... Nope, there's nothing in there again. It's locked. Is my screen getting more blurry? Does that mean that the tape is ending? What? There's nothing to find in the lockers! I'm going to go insane. What? Charge on, you'll be fine. Dentist appointment after school. You contribute to nothing. Lunch was terrible today. Nothing is impossible! Except maybe calculus. Ah! I should leave these notes on the desk. Are there any more? Is that your desk? Fire. I need to get out now. My volume off? Oh, yeah, it is. My bad. My... There's a single note. National Bullying Prevention Month. What's behind you? Don't do that to me! Nothing, you put everything past yourself, right? What was that? Was that me? No, what the heck are these recordings? Something is definitely off about this job. I need to get out now. Do you not read the note? Buddy? It's gonna end badly. No, they locked me from the outside. How do you lock from the out? Never mind, I'm so dead. Relax, young one. I've already inserted the last VHS tape. I'm not playing anymore. Let me out. We were never playing. Did you forget that you needed this money? It's over for you once I get out of here and call the police. Had you forgotten who's in control here? Now stay quiet and destroy some tapes. Darn it! Dude, how long is this game? Oh, my mouse wasn't working again. Bro. What the freak? What? It's unlocked. This. What the heck? How does it smell like flush? No way, a corpse. You having a heart attack almost gave me a heart attack. Dang. Dead person smell that was never sensed. I'm sorry for leaving you guys. I hope I could put some food on the table once I'm back. Please wait for me. What did I get myself into? He looks like a mannequin. I have to say in these recordings, if I leave, I'm dead. There's a tape on his hand. I should take it and play it on the computer. Yeah, no, paper outlining why we are here. They only hire us pieces of trash because they know nobody cares about us. I've yet to meet someone who was well in the mind growing up. A slip with someone else's name. This tape is a trap. If you played it, don't you dare leave. Just a regular generator? That does not look like a generator. Paper detailing. The building's flooded. All I can do is play the tape I've got. Paper detailing how to get out. If you hear, you need to leave. The staircases down will lead you to the building's second floor lobby. Stay extremely silent. Blink can hear a heartbeat. I ain't leaving. A movie poster. Kitty Cat the movie. What a lame movie, bro. A message. Blink seems to have gotten to a hold of this floor. It won't be long till we all die here. Close! Close! I don't like being in a small room where people can easily get in and I won't be able to run away, bro. Why is it glitchy? What is going on? Are you worthless? Yes. Something is telling me I should hurry. Is this like sister location? Or if you move too much, something's gonna get you? Oh my god, that's me. There's no way. No, what is this tape's recording date? Is tomorrow. This tape's recording date is tomorrow. Why am I back here? No, I'm dead. I know you're out there watching me. Please let me leave this place. Oh no! Oh my god, it was a nightmare. What day is it? The Lost Moon by the creators of Why? Manual for using the computer is barely readable. Insert blank blank in blank 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 on blank 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 power blank. What a lovely note. Book I was reading last night. Observer by blank blank. Why is everything blank blank? I'm not reading it. Is that a window or a poorly made vent where people can see into it, bro? I'm a book I left on the dining table. Past times by blank blank. A movie poster I liked. Emily. Emily looks like a guy. Is that a guy? I can't tell. Grandpa. A poster I put in a frame. Grandpa. Written by Grandpa. That's so true. Like when you ask your grandmother for a signature, because oh, are those car sounds? But it looks like a vent right there in the corner. How big is this window? Oh, it's just the fan. You can see it right there. Okay, it's just a car. It's just a car. Are those shoes? What type of shoes are those? Guess I gotta go back on the... It's today. I shouldn't go to work today. Oh, I clicked it too many times. I'm starving. I think I left some food in the microwave. I clicked it too many times and it started... Is that a... That looks like an elevator. I'm opening up the elevator. Is that a wood bowl in the microwave? We put glass in the microwave. Is that a... Oh, that looked like a sandwich. I just woke up not even 40 minutes ago. I hope he's safe, but I think he's in here with me. I need to book him for the door. There's no way I'm going out there. There's no way I'm going out there. I'm gonna get murdered, and this isn't even reality. Is it? What about my microwavable food? What about my bowl? It's not even food, it's just a bowl in the microwave. What about that? Risk it for the biscuit. Why am I so slow? Oh, it's over. Thank you for playing Terminal Tape. This was the first horror game I made. I'm trying to pump out... I got a reward. I'm trying to pump out a horror game at least once per 3 weeks, so if you are interested, I'd appreciate if you join my group if you haven't already. If you like to donate to support motivate me, I'd greatly appreciate the donation button on the bottom right. Thank you for playing. I hope to see you again in future horror games I make. Probably 2 or 3 things. 1, this was a good game. I liked it. Top 3 favorites, honestly. 2, don't push yourself. Don't push yourself on trying to force making games. That's not good for you, buddy. You have to take breaks you have to every once in a while. 3, I'm too broke to donate to anything. I'm way too broke. I can't donate to anyone. What? I don't like that ad. Thank God it's muted. I didn't even notice it until now. I appreciate the game. I really liked it. And thank God my brother wasn't here to distract me from keeping the mic unmuted, because every time he's here, I forget to unmute my mic for making videos. But I really liked the game. I hope to see more. If I had enough money, I would definitely donate you, but I can't because I'm broke. Yeah, I really liked it. Alright, see you next time.